On Friday, April 11, 2025, China announced an increase in import duties on U.S. goods, raising tariffs from 84% to 125%. This move came in response to the Trump administration's recent hike in tariffs on Chinese products, which now total 145%. The new Chinese tariffs will take effect on April 12th and apply to approximately $144 billion worth of U.S. goods, including key agricultural exports such as soybeans. Escalating trade war. The trade dispute between the world's two largest economies has been ongoing since 2018, but has escalated significantly in 2025. The U.S. began the year with a 10% tariff on Chinese imports, which was gradually increased to 54% and then to 145%. In return, China matched these measures, raising its own tariffs from 34% to 84% and now to 125%. China's response. China's Ministry of Finance stated that further tariff hikes were not economically viable, as American goods were already becoming uncompetitive in the Chinese market. Beijing filed a complaint with the World Trade Organization, WTO, although the effectiveness of this move is limited due to the U.S. blocking the WTO appellate body. International reactions. The European Union voiced concern over the escalating trade conflict and warned of potential retaliatory measures if a diplomatic resolution is not found. French President Emmanuel Macron urged continued preparation of countermeasures. Despite the 90-day pause on tariffs announced by President Trump for other countries. Market impact. Global financial markets reacted with volatility. U.S. stock futures rose slightly after earlier swings. European markets dipped modestly, and Asian markets were mixed. Japan's Nikkei closed down 3%, while Hong Kong's Hang Seng rose 1.1%. The U.S. dollar weakened against major currencies, and the yield on 10-year U.S. Treasury bonds dropped below 4.40%. Chinese officials signaled no intention of further tariff increases, calling them economically counterproductive. Meanwhile, the Trump administration remains focused on securing new trade agreements with more than 70 countries, though these deals are expected to be narrower in scope than traditional trade pacts. In summary, the trade war between the U.S. and China is intensifying, affecting global markets and international diplomacy. Future moves by both sides will be closely watched worldwide, as they could have far-reaching consequences for the global economy.